In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Canva account. By the end, you'll have your Canva profile ready so you can start designing right away, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects. On the Canva homepage, look for the Sign Up button, typically at the top right. This takes you to Canva's account creation options. If you see an existing profile or a saved login from a previous session, choose Continue with another account. That ensures you're starting fresh or switching to the identity you actually want to use. Next, you'll see several ways to create your account. You can continue with a DepEd email if you have an eligible education address, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with email. Pick the option that best fits how you prefer to sign in across your apps. Using an existing provider like Google or Facebook is quick and means one fewer password to remember. Using email is fine too. Just be ready to access your inbox in case Canva sends a confirmation message. For this walkthrough, select Continue with Google. This will open a secure Google sign-in window. The connection uses industry-standard authentication, so you can review the details with confidence. You may see a brief notice explaining that Canva will access your basic profile and email so it can identify your account. When the Google chooser appears, click the account you want to link to Canva. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts, choose the one you'll use for your designs and brand assets to keep things organized. If you're not currently signed in, just follow Google's on-screen prompts to authenticate. After you pick the account and approve the connection, you'll be redirected back to Canva, and your new Canva account will be created automatically. From here, Canva may briefly tailor your experience, such as asking what you'll be using it for. These questions simply help set up your dashboard and recommendations. You can proceed with the defaults if you prefer. A couple of quick tips before you start designing. If you chose the email option earlier, keep an eye on your inbox for a verification message to unlock all features. Also, consider bookmarking the Canva homepage so you can return to your projects quickly. That's it. You clicked Sign Up, switched to another account if needed, chose your preferred sign-in method, continued with Google, as our example, and selected your Google account. You're ready to explore templates, upload brand assets, and bring your ideas to life in Canva.